Every year around this time, our team pulls out the bloopers and outtakes. Like that one. And just like that, we're back.
We had an awesome and crazy year.
Yeah, we want you to enjoy a good laugh at our expense.
Here we go.
Enjoy.
Take 12.
No matter what the the most valuable.
Great to have you on today's episode. At Navigation Center.
Once.
I can't agree, Mac.
Thank you, Bertha. Chad!
Yeah, can we do that again?
We are excited. We are excited to work with you on your next case. This is making me laugh. We're excited to work with you on your next case.
And Jemima.
$1,000.
Louise.
Let the good times roll.
I ran out of good ideas. We're pulling back the sad Jack.
Hit it. Eeyore. Get some energy. Stay on script, numbnuts. Start over. Maybe stay on script, numbnuts.
This little numbnuts next to me doesn't.
Hey, come on, numbnuts.
Welcome to another episode.
Wait, life came off. Take 4.
Okay, clapping, clapping.
Clap us back in. Clap again. Clap us in.
Clapper.
Yeah,
Waiting clapper.
Clapper.
Oh wait, do we need the clappy?
Clapper again.
Use the clacker. Tyler's got to do the clacker.
Clap.
Tyler,
Slap him again. Clap us in. Clap us in.
clap me in. I know with so many
Ah, she
options.
didn't clap you.
Oh, yes.
You have to wait
Ready?
for the clap.
Okay.
Professional.
All
Clap
right.
us back in.
Clap, clap.
What happened to our clapper? Clap. Now you can start talking. From Absolute Dental. Is this too much standing like this? Do I cross my arms or put it in my pockets? What's the sexiest way to do this?
How does my comb over look?
How's my chest look? How's my shirt? How's my biceps when I like squeeze it on the back of the chair? Jack, put your bicep on the back of the chair. It pushes them, makes it look bigger.
Do I look fat in this shirt? Does this shirt make me look fat? I just read an article that the dad bods are back in. From like Match.com did a survey, so I think I got that going for me.
Oh, I'm too fat.
Don't touch your face.
I love speaking with my
Keep your
hands.
hands in your lap.
All right, make us f***ing look amazing.
See, that was good.
Gaga, ooh la la, gaga, hoo ha ha.
Ready?
6, 7, 5, 3, 0, 9.
Cha-ching!
That went great.
Excuse me.
How'd that sound? Your phone.
It's a good sound check.
COVID. I'm Italian. I'm naturally oily.
Oh my God.
To get started.
So much fun editing. Hey, hands out of your mouth. Comment. They're like little kids.
Sanitize him.
What's a booger?
Sanitize him right now. Call us at Absolute Dental Lab. Where's the number?
We pride ourselves. Like,
What we do. Uses the price of these apartments. These coupons.
That doesn't even make any sense.
you as part of our family. That sounded so fake. Okay, sorry.
As a matter of fact, Jack. That rhymes.
It is right.
Okay, that's really funny. Okay. As a matter of fact, Jack. You can't say it. As a matter of fact, Jack. That's hilarious. Okay. I don't think I can say that with a straight face. We're gonna have to rewrite that.
So from our Absolute family, we'd like to thank you for your support during the year and wish you a
Happy
new
Yeah! Bye.
Ta-da!